Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine having a pair of eyes on the road, always watching, always recording, and always ready to provide you with evidence in case of an accident. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's not. It's the 70mai A810 Lite 4K dash cam front and rear, and it's about to revolutionize the way you drive. One of the most impressive features of this dash cam is its ability to capture every drive in stunning 4K resolution. With a 3840x2160p Ultra HD front camera and a 1080p rear camera, you'll be able to see every detail from license plates to road signs with crystal clarity. And with wide-angle lenses, you'll have a broader view of the road, reducing blind spots and making it ideal for commuting, road trips, or even rideshare driving. Whether you're a professional driver or just a daily commuter, this dash cam has got you covered. But what about driving at night? We've all been there, cruising down a dark highway, wondering if that car in front of us is going to stop suddenly. That's where the 70mai A810 Lite's enhanced night vision comes in. Equipped with advanced night vision technology, a large f1.55 aperture, and HDR, this dash cam can capture clear and balanced footage even in the lowest light conditions. Whether you're driving through tunnels, in rainy conditions, or just on a dark road, this dash cam will provide you with reliable recording day and night. And with its ability to reduce glare from headlights, you'll be able to see every detail, even in the most challenging conditions. But the 70mai A810 Lite isn't just about recording your drives. It's also about staying connected with your car, no matter where you are. With 4G LTE remote access, you can view live footage, track your vehicle's location, and receive real-time alerts via the app. Whether you're parked at work, at the airport, or on the street, this dash cam keeps your vehicle within reach. And with its ability to provide live view and vehicle tracking, you'll be able to keep an eye on your car, even when you're not there. This is especially useful for long-term parking, travel, or remote monitoring needs. Just imagine being able to check in on your car, no matter where you are in the world. Another feature that really sets the 70mai A810 Lite apart is its Wi-Fi 6 fast transfer and smart app control. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6, you'll be able to transfer data up to 25 megabytes per second, making it faster and more convenient to preview, download, and share videos directly to your smartphone. And with the app, you can view live footage, playback recordings, adjust settings, check GPS data, and even update firmware via OTA. This makes video management faster, smarter, and more convenient for daily use and insurance needs. Whether you're a tech-savvy driver or just looking for a hassle-free experience, this dash cam has got you covered. And finally, let's talk about the 24-hour parking mode. We've all been there, parked in a crowded lot, wondering if our car is safe. That's where the 70mai A810 Lite's parking mode comes in. With 2 parking modes, G-sensor detection and time-lapse recording, you'll be able to keep your car protected even when you're not there. The G-sensor detection automatically records and locks footage during impacts, while the time-lapse recording provides continuous low-power monitoring. And with loop recording, you'll have uninterrupted coverage, even if the SD card fills up. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that your car is protected even when you're not around. In conclusion, the 70mai A810 Lite 4K dash cam front and rear is an incredible piece of technology that's about to revolutionize the way you drive. With its stunning 4K resolution, enhanced night vision, 4G LTE remote access, Wi-Fi 6 fast transfer, and 24-hour parking mode, this dash cam has got everything you need to stay safe, connected, and protected on the road. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the 70mai A810 Lite today and experience the future of driving. Trust me, you won't regret it. This dash cam is a game changer. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.